Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a run deal at Dollar General, plus we have some awesome, amazing new coupon matchups for the clearance event. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so first up we're going to talk about this run deal, but I want y'all to stick around until the end because we have a ton of new coupon matchups that are giving us freebies plus overage. Alright guys, so let's talk about this run deal. Now this is a legitimate deal. This is not a glitch, but knowing how Dollar General is and how they did us on the Dawn Power Wash with pulling that sale last week, I would definitely run out and do this deal at least a couple of times if you have the insert coupons, and then maybe you'll save one for Saturday for a 5 off $25 scenario, but that way you'll go ahead and get the good deal while you can for sure, and then if it's still there on Saturday, that would be awesome for our 5 off $25 scenarios. So this morning we did receive some new Dollar General digital coupons, and I will have my regular new coupons Sunday video up here shortly, but we did receive a DG store coupon for buy one get one free on the Dial or Tone body washes. Now we also in today's newspapers in the Save insert have a buy one get one free manufacturer coupon, and y'all know you can stack one manufacturer coupon with one DG store coupon. So if you guys go out to Dollar General today, pick up 2 of the Dial body washes. You can mix and match. They are $4 each. So pick up 2 at $8. Use the buy one get one free store digital coupon plus that buy one get one free manufacturer coupon. That is going to leave you paying just 1 penny for both body washes. How awesome is that? Now, both of these coupons are also for Tone body wash. So if your store has those, they are priced at $3 each. So pick up 2. That's going to put you at $6. Go up to the register, type your phone number in, let that buy one get one DG store coupon apply, then hand over your insert coupon, and that is going to leave you paying just 1 penny for 2. Alright guys, so there's your run deal, and again I do want to say this is a legitimate deal. This is not a glitch deal, and in fact we have had the same exact deal in the past, and Dollar General did not pull the coupon and it was still there for us on Saturday. So fingers crossed they won't pull the coupon and we can have some amazing 5 off $25 scenarios. But again, you just never know with Dollar General, and y'all have the information now. If you have a lot of couponers in your area, you're going to want to be one of the first at the store before the shelves are cleared. So good luck guys. I hope y'all can get in on this deal, and come back and let me know in the comment section if you score. Alright guys, so now we're going to look at some new coupon matchups for the Dollar General clearance event. So keep in mind, today is the last day of the clearance event, and after today, all of these prices will go back up. So y'all are going to see some new digital coupon matchups and new insert coupon matchups in this video. So I just wanted to let y'all know we did receive some new digital coupons, and we also received new insert coupons today in today's newspapers. So we did receive a new Unilever Super Saver insert, a Smart Source, and a Save insert. So I'm going to let these deals roll here, and I'm going to turn on a little background music, and I'll talk to y'all in just a second. Hey guys, I just wanted to pop in here really quickly and let y'all know on these Airwick refills. We do still have digital coupon matchups, and we probably have a couple of new ones today, but in today's Smart Source insert that came out in today's newspapers, we received a buy one, get one free insert coupon for the Airwick refills. So I think if you use that insert coupon, it would be an even better deal. Alright guys, so there you have it for our new coupon matchups for the Dollar General clearance event. Keep in mind today is the last day, and if I find any more coupon matchups, I will make a post in the community tab about it. Now, if y'all want to see my Dollar General clearance event haul, I did post that yesterday, so go and check it out. I'll leave that video linked in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but before y'all go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.